Want to learn how to get your action figures to stick on any magnetic surface? This is how you do it. On the first ever episode of Marvel Toytok, I'll be showing you how to take any Spider-Man figure in your collection to the next level. So grab your favorite Spider-Man figure and these adhesive magnetic strips. I picked these up at Walmart for about $2, as well as a pen. I'm personally using an acid-free pen from Zig Memory System. I picked these up at Michael's, and I'm just tracing around the bottom of Spider-Man's shoe. Now that I have his footprint to work with, I am tearing this piece of the magnet off the adhesive strip, and I'm going to cut along the traced footprint. No worries if you don't get this right the first time. You'll have some room for error here. What you want to avoid is just cutting it too small the first time around. So I'm putting my figure back against the adhesive just to double check, make sure everything looks like it's going to fit, and I'm cutting along, trimming around the edges as I go, just to make sure it's a snug fit. Now you'll notice I'm keeping the adhesive on here because I don't want to peel that off until I'm ready to stick that to the bottom of Spider-Man's shoe. Just in case you're curious about the figure I'm using, this is the Spider-Man No Way Home Walmart exclusive that comes with the Tom Holland head. Now once you have your outline for both shoes, carefully peel off the adhesive and begin to stick it and match it onto the correct shoe. Now, like I said, it might not be an absolute perfect trace of the shoe, but as long as you've got most of the shoe covered, you should be in good shape. Now with these adhesive magnets, they're flat enough so I can keep Spider-Man posed on any flat surface like he would have without the magnet himself. Now to get him ready for a posing session on a magnetic surface. But before that, I'm going to grab an accessory from this 2-pack with Happy Hogan and the Midas suit. So the only accessory I'm grabbing from this 2-pack is Happy's phone, because Peter would always call Happy to try and update him throughout his journey. Now before we go into the actual posing session, since this is my first video, would really appreciate it if you guys liked and subscribed. Now to the posing session. Here is Spider-Man just hanging on my fridge. Now you can pose him on any magnetic surface and you can achieve some pretty epic poses. Here he is taking a selfie. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more Marvel action figure content.